So good morning to all present here. So today I'm here to share my work with you. Uh, Today my presentation topic is Stratigraphy Explorer, a web-based stratigraphic information system. This project is very close to my academic background in geology because this tries to make one of the most important but dry subject of geology, that is stratigraphy, more easier and interesting, or we can say interesting, interactive also. So first of all, what exactly the Stratigraphy Explorer is. So, Stratigraphy Explorer is a interactive web-based platform where user can explore geological formation of area of their interest in the interactive geological map of India. So instead of just reading stratigraphy in textbook, here you can actually see where these formations are located, how they are distributed, and how they are related to mineral deposit locations. It helps user to uh, correlate rock unit, geological ages, and broad lithological information. This application also bring maps, mineral data, and satellite imagery together in one place, which make learning much more engaging. Before going further, let's quickly understand what stratigraphy is. So, stratigraphy is one of the branch of geology where where stratigraphy deals with the rock layers, their sequence, their distribution, and their ages. Through stratigraphy, we understand how rock layers are distributed, and which rock are older and which rock are younger, and how Earth geological history evolved over the time. Stratigraphy forms the foundation of applied. Uh, sorry, Stratigraphy forms the foundation of advanced geological study and exploration-related studies. So it forms the extremely important field where mineral exploration, groundwater studies, and petroleum geology studies can be done. In stratigraphical study, geographical distribution is one of the important aspect of this, because once we see formation on a map of India or maps, so we clearly understand their geographical distribution and which formation falls in which area. So geographical distribution is very important in stratigraphical study. In this is the geological map of India, where you can see the formation from Archean to recent. Okay. So now comes the one of the important question: why we feel the need to build this application? So traditionally we study stratigraphy from printed maps in textbook. Here you can see some of the images of maps from a book. Here first one is sorry. First one First one is a formation from Archean, and the second is showing Khairwar system, and third one is showing Kadapa and Vindhyan system of India. So these maps are very small, static, and sometimes difficult to interpret. They do not clearly show the administrative boundaries, place name, and terrain context. Because of this, many student or researcher find this stratigraphy subject dry and theoretical and hard to relate with the real world. So this motivated us to create some digital or interactive solution. So apart from the motivation for developing any solution, we require data. So in recent year, detailed geological data uh, have been available, become available through Bhuko's portal by Geological Survey of India. Uh, Here is the screenshot of Bhuko's portal, but the Bhuko's data is now available in NGDR portal, that is National Geoscience Data Repository. At the same time, powerful open source GIS tools are also available. By combining these two opportunities, we decided to develop a platform that connects stratigraphic knowledge with the real world, stratigraphic knowledge with the real spatial locations. So behind so main goal of for sorry so main goal behind developing this application is to make stratigraphy more interactive and understanding and practical. Okay, so now I'll briefly explain how we developed this application. So first, we collected data from Bhuko's portal. Then we cleaned it and prepare and style it in QGIS. After that, we stored it in a database that is Postgres SQL. Um, for publishing, we use GeoServer, and finally, we used OpenLayer along with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for developing a web interface. Now let us look what this application can actually do. So this system supports interactive map-based learning, and user can simply move mouse over the map and instantly see a geological information. They can filter geology based on state, based on geological age, and based on formation name. Mineral deposit can be also visualized here with stratigraphic information. All this feature make exploration simple and interactive. Okay, here is the web interface of Stratigraphic Explorer. So here you can see map window and filtering option and description panel. So in map window, here is showing entire map of India, entire geological map of India along with mineral deposit. And in the right hand side, you can see base maps and filtering option. And in the left hand side, you can see the description panel where the total geological formation is displayed along with the three major formation of India for entire India. When you mm, filter for state, you can also see major three formation of state also. Okay, one of the most important feature of this system or application is on-hour geological information. When you move cursor on the map, details such as formation name, age, lithology appear instantly. This remove the need through the table and legend search and make learning much more faster. And the second important feature of this application is geological succession. Uh, this application present geological succession. When you select geological succession tab and move your cursor on map, the underlying group or underlying features, formation can will display in the geological succession tab. Uh, in this application, the filter based on stratigraphy or formation name is also available. One can select any formation from the drop down, and when you select any formation, the selected formation will display on map, and along with the formation name, here age based filtering is also available. In this application, state-based stratigraphy selection is also available. When you select any state from the drop-down, the map will automatically zoom to that state, and the geological formation of that state only display on this on the map window. Mineral-based visualization, as I said earlier, mineral-based visualization is also available here. When deposit type is selected, its spatial distribution and along with stratigraphic information is also display here. This is very important for understanding the relationship between the geology and mineral resources. If you talk about future enhancement, so this project is not limited to the current version. We have planned to include district level geological data sets, topo sheet referencing, reference integration, and virtual field trip modules, and geotech field photographs, and also decided to add interactive quizzes and mobile friendly responsive designs. Okay, if you talk about the use of this application, so this application can be used for classroom teaching aids, and a virtual laboratory environment for geology students, and mineral resource learning, geotourism planning, and for a research project also. So that's all about my work. Thank you for your attention, and I'll happy to answer your question and suggestion also.
Thank you. Thank you for your nice presentation.
Thank you, sir.
So I think Geological Survey of India, I'm not sure, but they are giving maps in 1:250,000 scale and also 1:50,000 scale. So as a future step, try to integrate these into this thing so that you can choose the scale and zoom to a higher scale map. Nah?
Yes, sir.
That is one, this is just a suggestion.
Okay,
Second
thank
thing
you,
is
sir.
when you are talking about geotourism,
Yes, sir.
because your data is in PostGIS,
Yes,
try
sir.
to add the PG routing. In PG routing, they can what you call traveling salesman route. They can do the which point to go first. If you are having 3 hours in some place, which is the best route to take is very easy. So since your data is in PostGIS, think of adding the PG routing feature so that they can, when you say geotourism planning,
Ji, sir.
you have to give them the route. Nah? So I think it is very easy now that the system is already there in the PostGIS, and you can add this and it would be nice. And also you can put some social media so that people can contribute to field photographs. Crowdsourced field photographs. So maybe I think Chowreji also will note these enhancements, and we will be able to see a new version of your software soon.
Sure, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Any other questions?
Sorry, ma'am.
other questions? No. Had a small question on the data. While maybe the next speaker can get set up on the data processing in the QGIS. You said you did some data cleanup, right?
Sorry, ma'am.
The data cleanup. So, what did you exactly did for cleanup?
You want to see that?
No, not you. Data cleanup.
Okay. Ma'am, when we downloaded data from Bhucos, there was several field that was not required for our application, and they are interrupting to publish in GeoServer. So we removed that fields from there.
Yeah, like this invalid polygons and all that. Yeah. So, yeah. 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 Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.